In this video, I will show you how to download a Solitaire Mystery on PC or laptop. Simply go to Google and type itch. First link should be itch.io. Click on it. Now in search for a Solitaire Mystery and drop down click on the game. I will leave link in description to this site. As we see, this game only works on Windows. Now click on Buy Now. In new pop-up, you need to type your email, then you need to pay minimum required amount for the game. If you want, you can donate more for developer. Then select Pay with PayPal or with card and fill all information. I'm using Mac, so I can't play this game. So I will show next steps after payment on another game. After you pay, you will be redirected to similar page to this. Click on Download button and downloading will start. Download process will start after locating downloaded file and unzip it. If you can unzip it, download WinRAR. Now go to the folder and double-click on Game Launcher. I hope this video is helpful and you will give it thumbs up. Thanks for watching and thanks for 1,000 subscribers.